Are you looking for a sit-on-top kayaks? In this video, I will show you the 5 best sit-on-top kayaks based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Vibe Kayaks Sea Ghost 110 11-foot Angler. The Sea Ghost series hulls focus on blending speed and stability for a perfect balance. Kayak anglers want to be able to get to where they are going with less effort, and be able to stand when they get there. The Sea Ghost 110 has the most customizable work deck and gear space kayak anglers demand, and the 425 pounds of hauling capacity means you can bring it all. With an integrated rudder system, rigging and storage options, the Vibe Sea Ghost 130 fishing kayak is the most advanced premium angling watercraft of its kind, with the greatest assortment of features and storage more than any comparable level angling kayak. The 4th product on the list is the Drift Sun Teton 120 Hard Shell 2 or 3 person. The Drift Sun Teton 120T is the perfect tandem kayak package for those looking to paddle, fish, and explore with a friend. This package combines the highest quality materials, workmanship, and top-notch accessories. This 2-person kayak can be used for tandem or solo paddling. Equipped with 3 seating positions, it easily holds 2 adults plus a child or furry friend. Great for any experience level. It performs exceptionally well on rivers, ocean surf, flat water, and in windy/choppy conditions. The wide balance hull offers unmatched stability and tracking for a smooth ride. Equipped with 4 flush mount rod holders and 2 active rod holder mounting points. Rear bungee tank well storage. Paddle parks and rests. The Teton 120T can handle it all, whether you're looking for a relaxing day on the lake or something a little more adventurous. The 3rd product on the list is the BKC RA220 11.5-foot solo sit-on-top. The Brooklyn Kayak Company BKC RA220 Angler is like the Swiss Army knife of solo/single fishing kayaks. It has everything an angler needs for the ultimate aquatic adventure except for a reel, bait, and a bit of luck. But that can be helped when you make use of the fish finder cutout in the hull. This sit-on-top single kayak is stable enough for standing, so if you prefer to cast and reel while on your feet, go ahead and stand tall. The RA220's paddle rests keep your paddle safe when your hands are busy with rod and reel, preventing overboard loss. The 2nd product on the list is the Sun Dolphin Journey 10-foot sit-on-top fishing kayak, great for lakes and rivers. Lightweight, easy to carry. Tracks and paddles with ease while offering maximum stability. Rugged UV-stabilized Fortiflex high-density polyethylene. 2 flush mount rod holders. 1 swivel rod holder. Large open cockpit. Adjustable padded seat. Storage compartment. Shock cord deck rigging. Adjustable foot braces. Water bottle holder. Protective thigh pads. The 1st product on the list is the Lifetime Lotus sit-on-top kayak with paddle. Kayak paddle included. Hull design provides ultra stability and great tracking. Multiple footrest positions for different size paddlers. Includes hard adjustable backrest. Scupper holes drain cockpit area. Molded paddle cradle. Easy carry handle tank well storage with bungee cord lacing to secure loose items. Durable high density polyethylene construction. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.